Alright. You ever heard of video games? Let's check this out. It's video games. It's a map. It's the map again. I repositioned the camera. What the hell is that? Anyway, welcome back to the Jack 4 stream. I noticed that Neil Druckmann did not mention this at the Summer Game stream. Well, I mean, to be honest, I didn't watch, but I'm pretty sure he didn't. Kind of offensive. Kind of rude. But I'll let bygones be bygones for now. For now. Look at this. What I think I want to do today, I'm going to bring this. Actually, what am I going to do with this? I keep forgetting. That kills the frame rate. Okay. I've been wandering around a little bit off stream, not really doing anything. The one thing I did was retexture a switch, which is pretty exciting. But I think what I want to do is just start thinking of stuff. Like do another pass through the main game. I'll do that now. Basically, I'm just gonna get my save file. Data. What is it? Godot. App user data jack 4. That's gone forever now. Because first thing I need to do is add some stuff here, because this is like really barren. Let's just play through the game. That'd be kind of fun. So we start here, there's an untextured teapot. Why didn't I texture that? And there's this, which I should fix that tutorial in the top left. Excuse me. I still have a cold. And I think it moved to my sinuses, so I did something called what was it called? Basically, I poured salt water in my nose, and as it turns out, that feels a lot like having water in your nostrils. Look at this disgusting thing. Awesome. And I really need to fix the font thing, where like the font sizes are, some of them are controlled by the settings. So if I go to like, oh wait, hang on, controls, ooh, hang on. The dialogue viewer should not be in pausing. Clear. Wait, why is this? Okay, I think everything here. Well, no, I guess the dialogue viewers and these ones as well. So yeah, those ones explicitly stop. Because if we go back. Oh wait, what? God, that pisses me off so much. I hate how it, like, doesn't mark it as handled. Can I just mark input? Okay. So he told me, go talk to Armstrong, and that's somewhere. Presumably, players will be able to figure out that this is a machine, and that the person next to the machine is probably this one. Okay, and so the player then is like in the village, and they're doing things, and then there's a thing where it's like the tutorial. Let's see if this still is good. I also need to get the icons for the gems and stuff. Actually, no. This one's okay. And I'll steal the gems from this family. I hope I don't get an ear infection. If I do, I'm just going to a doctor. I'm not messing around with ears and stuff. Okay, this isn't quite exactly what I was meaning to do. Okay, so basically the player's gonna run around, they're gonna think that there's stuff, they're gonna wonder what this is, probably like, oh, I don't know, I don't think I'm supposed to get up there, maybe. But of course they can actually cheese this pretty easily, so I might want to change that. Let's check this out. Huh. I mean, you can cheese it, sort of. Also, I really need to fix that climbing. Alright, I'm messing around too much. He said big capacitor, one is in the village. There's only so many places in the village you can go. And presumably one of them is going to be this one. And I don't know. Okay. Ugh, even my eyes hurt. Wait, huh? No. Okay, so that's wrong. Okay. Dialogue, intro, Armstrong. You did it 3 capacitors. Where is that? What? Hang on. I think I did something. So that means that it's based on whether or not the door is open. If global.stat medium/open. Invalid named index. If for base type object. Oh. obviously. Excuse me. Alright, because I want to make at least sort of a solid, like, first few minutes of gameplay for someone who's playing for the first time. Now that I'm doing the whatever I was doing. Playtesting, that's what I was thinking of. Ugh, I'm gonna have to... I'll probably only be able to stream for like an hour before I get too tired. Okay, but let's see how this works. So basically, when a stat fails to interpret, I guess it just progresses forward. I should add maybe error codes or something in dialogue. How goes your search? Okay. So at the top, blah, 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 blah. Oh, I never, Okay, well, one, I need multi-line buttons, so add that to, just put it on the list. Excuse me. Okay. Where is how goes your search? So yeah, she basically is just gonna try to argue for the sake of getting that capacitor because she wants it. And then, but it really will fall instantly when she takes it out. So I think I don't know how confident he would be since nobody does it. Alright. So yeah, just a brief thing for to iterate sort of a conflict of interest. Plunk. Alright. And then let's do what should I do? That'll be fine for now. I was thinking of if I want dialogue for when the player finds their first capacitor, which I think is probably going to be useful in the long run, but I don't want to write it right now. Okay, so the player, well, I probably should. Yeah, I'm going to actually write it right now. So let's do, what was in the cave? Cave capacitor 124. How goes your search? Let's see, wood. Alright, so it'll also serve as an opportunity for him to give a little bit of lore, like, because, well, actually, I'll make that two separate things, so the player can have a reply. And they don't know which one built the medium because it's made of a third type of metal. Excuse me. Horrific death. Ugh. Okay, but whatever. Let's see, what else should there be? Let's see. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Let's see. My high quality gaming content will resume. Let's see. So there's a few of these. In the cave. So, he'll warn about what happens in the future, because future caves are deliberately designed to be like actual caves, like really deep and long and confusing. Or at least that's what I hope that they are. Oh wait, he should also explain that the player can get out of the village. Let's do like choice. Loop. Search. I'm kind of tempted. I was kind of tempted to add like structural programming there, like have something like loop, or like, you know, something like that, or like while true or something. I should probably not do that until. Well, I'm gonna break this out into its own thing eventually, and either just release it as an asset that's open source, or actually spend money on it, or ask people to pay money for it. I'm not gonna spend money on it. Okay, and he'll just suggest what you have to do to get out of there, which is just climbing the whole fence. Alright. Also, incredible. Game progress. Let's see if that refreshed dialogue works. Well, I'm gonna go to bed at like 7 p.m. today. Alright, hang on. How did I I'm gonna check how I did it for, I had another game. Control O. It was Kitty Gets a Burger Project UI, I think, dialogue. Reply? Well, how do I render things? Oh, right. It was a very old version of it that had multi-line buttons, but I completely replaced it with a different system, so I'm not even going to be able to see it here anyway unless I, like, check out the very old version. Let's see. Hang on. Let's do some archaeology on GitHub. Because I had the old version of the code base up until it just permanently stopped letting me push to it because I had one file at one point that was more than 10 megabytes. And Godot really wants to, or GitHub really wants you to use your whatever it is. Better take this out of here. Oh, Christ on a bike. Okay, I just can't. Alright, hang on. I'm putting up the BRB screen again. Or whatever screen it is. And I'm slightly lowering the music volume. Because it's been a little bit too loud, but I don't have headphones in right now. Alright, what site am I even looking for? GitHub? I don't even know if it's in here. Websites just, or applications just don't know how to stay in one monitor. Especially the password safe is really annoying. Okay. Hang on, I'm looking for... Burger Game. Okay. My private repo. Don't tell anybody. But we have old branches. I bet this one has it. UI. Dialogue viewer. Yes, this would have it. Ooh, actually, I just realized I could have used the old one. Because basically, there's two different dialogue viewers in there currently. Maybe? Okay. So what do I do with the buttons? It's this reply 0. Alright, hang on. Let's just save and quit. Let's see if I can get this. Add-ons, peroxinator, viewer. Multi-line text, button text. Okay. Okay, so that's basically how I do it. I just... Excuse me. I just make a button. Or just make a label. Alright. I'll do that then. Is that really the best way to do that? Hang on. Do I have to do something with the button? Ah, whatever. Let's just go back to this one. Where is reply? List replies. Okay, so it'll be button.new var L equals new. Actually, yeah, that'll be fine. L.text equals that. L.autoWrap equals true. Size flags horizontal equals okay. I wonder if I could just edit the child of the button directly. All right, let's go back to our old friend Armstrong. Maybe I can do size expand. So what's happening now? Maybe I need to put this after it? Like that? Let's do all this first. Okay. What am I missing? Is it this thing? Is it the anchors? Maybe it's like, hold on. Anchor left equals 0. Alright, that starts to help. Though the text, okay, now there's just the problem of, it doesn't have the right text, or it doesn't have the this and that. Alright. Margin. Gin top is 5. Gin bottom equals 85. Okay. Let's see if I can get this working. Godot. Button. Text. Oh god. Their best solution is to just replicate all of the behavior in a label manually. That's really epic, I think. Wrap. Okay, that's really cool. Godot, expand button to content. Okay, so he's just asking about how to make custom button textures. What, has nobody on Earth tried to make a button with multiple lines of text in this fucking game? Or in this fucking engine? What am I doing that's so foreign? With text. Hang on, do buttons have auto wrap? Can I turn on auto wrap in a button? Let's see if I can do this. That may actually be my best hope. C, tools, Godot. Select that. Editor. What am I looking for? Button? It might be in like core or something. Where would it be actually? Scene? GUI? Alright. What is XL text? Oh, it's translated text. Where is the text drawn? Change notify text. Update. Alright, I don't care. Let's figure out. Set text. Change notify text. Okay. Minimum size changed? How are buttons rendered properly then? Like, where is the text logic for that? I guess it's an update, but where is update defined? Like, huh? Hmm. 2D canvas item, maybe? It doesn't seem like it would do anything. I guess it would. Yeah, I guess it does, because... Okay, canvas item. Because there's a virtual method or something. Alright, hang on. I need to go back to this. Update. Okay, so it's not virtual. So I think that's where something happens. If pending update return, pending update equals true. Message queue, get singleton, push call, update callback. Okay, so it's notification draw. I think. Yeah, it's just has to be here. Okay. For icons, align. All right, so it's this. All right. And I need to do this as well. V-line. Oh, Christ. So I have to like put all of this back, I think. Or put all of this logic into there, because I think, yeah, because this is all like wrap stuff, isn't it? Wait, why doesn't it take into consideration? No, it does. I'm sure. Does it? Generate word cache. Okay. I guess. Okay, how do I just resize the button? Godot, resize button to content. Like, if the button just doesn't support anything other than this hard-coded font drawing thing, this ultra sucks. Yeah, there's basically nothing that I can find on Godot, or on Google. Alright, what does a container do? Okay. Haha. Is a box container something that I can do? Because it seems like it's just not designed. Because that's something I've had issues with before, where I want to resize a container or resize a node based on its children, and that's just not functionality that Godot has unless it's for unless it's like a container node, in which case it's always done automatically. And then you have to fight with the automatic stuff to do what you want. Because I literally just want the text to be word wrapped. And then the thing to be, wait, what? Oh. Okay, I have to also press the, hang on. I have to set the input as handled for escape as well, I think. That is, pause menu. Which one is that? I don't know. I don't think box container is going to be what I want. Let's just do like v dot rect min size equals l dot size. Okay, cool. V dot clip false. I mean, that's not excuse me, that's not even relevant. Can I increase this? Alright, let's just do like dot y equals 40 for now. Let's just see what that does. Okay, so that gets that. Dot get size bounds or something. Alright, this is pissing me off. Everything with Godot pisses me off. It always does. Godot. How? Oh my god. I forgot Firefox is good. How to get size of control. Like actual size. It's seeming more and more likely I'll just have to make a custom button. Because the technology just doesn't exist for a button that is a container for other things. Or a button that has wrapped text, multi-line text. Such a shocking thing to need. Such an impossible thing to need. Okay, so for some... Okay, let's just print... fuck me. I'm pretty sure the problem is the button controls the size of the label. Even though the label needs to go extend beyond it, there's nothing to actually tell me like what the visible size is going to be. What does it get? Line height times get line. Alright, let's do b dot rect min size dot y equals l dot get line count times get line height. No, wait, no. Oh yeah, that is times plus dot margin bottom times 2. It might work. Doesn't quite work. Get line count times get line height plus margin bottom times 2. Amount of lines of text the label has. What the fuck? What is it? What is it doing? I mean, it could be because it's still... Okay, let's just print... that. Alright. Why is there 36 lines? I know what it is, probably. Oh my god. Pressing escape causes... What is this? Now, why does the escape button cause the dialogue to exit? Alright, where is UI cancel? That's not there. I'll do like backspace if the player wants to cancel. I hate video games. I mean, literally my UI library was better than this. Like, I literally wrote a UI library that was nicer to use in this, especially in this specific instance of like multi-line text. It barely even supported multi-line text. Like, that's wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Presumably there's 36 characters there. Because presumably it's just wrong. Like it's not drawing, and so I can't get it until like later. And so now I need to do some sort of stupid shit with call deferred. Alright. Let's just do like resize replies. B. If not B, please continue. For L. Alright, let's see if that works. Like, it really better be enough time. Or else I'll just have to put it in the whatever. I don't even know. What is replies then? Where the fuck is replies defined? Oh my god. Tomorrow, I'm gonna actually just bring out my own UI library, and I'll show that it handles this better. Christ on a bike. Then fucking plus 35. 30 or something. Why is that so small? Like, I genuinely don't get it. What am I missing? I guess just times 1.5 maybe? I guess. No. Whatever, that's good enough. Alright, that's good enough for that. I've completely forgotten what I was going to do. I was going to do, like, I don't know, whatever, that, to make sure that that works. I'm going to put see you around at the top, so the player doesn't get confused and lost if they're just clicking through. I'm getting a headache. Okay. So there's the thing about climbing, there was that stuff, there was, Alright, it's pretty easy to get up here, because now you can just jump up here. Look at that, incredible. Stay tuned, I'm going to make a new UI library for Godot while I'm at it. I've been thinking if it'd be funny if I ship a Theseus Godot into something completely different, because I want to make a different renderer, though I may just extend the other one. Apparently Godot 4's renderer is more modular, because I want to make it fully deferred so I can do stylized stuff more easily. And then it'd be nice to have a different scripting language, because I need to use, for my next game I'm doing some procedural dialogue or procedural English that's going to be better done in Prolog. So I've been thinking of ways to integrate Godot with Prolog easier. Because it's simple enough that I could probably just make a Prolog runtime and then use Godot's existing, like just sort of use a drop-in replacement of Godot's existing scripting bindings to just make bindings for Prolog. It wouldn't quite work right, or it wouldn't quite be a one-to-one replacement, because ideally it would also be like reversible functions and things like that, but oh well. That's a topic for another time. Tomorrow, what I'm actually going to do, instead of whining about Godot so much, is I'm just going to put content out here, because this big valley is empty. So I should think of things that I want to actually do out here. Like, what do people do? You know what? Let's commit what I have. Gestures, dialogue, visual fixes, and then I will go to here let's just doodle on this. Hopefully no one watches these streams. I've come across as very unprofessional. And bad-mouthing Godot all the time. It's like he hates the engine or something. So what, we have the little house up here. And then this stuff is where the tower falls. Tasting that salt water. Yeah. And anyway, maybe there's like a village or a little like, yeah, that could be fun. Just some little villages out here. Or maybe rocks. And then maybe, ooh, that could be fun. Like little bridges between rocks to make like a more secure area. Maybe things like that. And they could be a hybrid of like the metal or whatever. I just want it to be that anytime you go anywhere, there's something fun on the horizon. And since I have established that there's going to be, or that these guys have cell phones, there's probably some sort of power infrastructure. So I could do like power lines. You know, something goes all the way over there and then maybe these are like transformers and then goes up to here or something. And then there's probably some sort of cell tower here. And that would just connect. A lot of infrastructure for this one little area, though. I don't know. They just bring batteries over. They just use one of those capacitors to charge their phones. There will be like wires or little bridges and rope things connecting these places, though. That could be fun. I don't know. Maybe a second line of defense or something. Against that one skull guy who's like right here. And then I want some rocks. I want like just tiered rocks up here. We'll go like that. And they'll be like, I think the dimensions are like that for houses. Like that's how big houses actually are. So I'll have a lot of scale to do. But okay, I'll do something with that. I'll do something fun. This will be basin. I'm gonna now die in a corner. I'll see you later.